How can I improve my ability to visualize? Today, we have a topic that holds the key to unlocking your creative potential and enhancing your manifestation abilities: how to improve your ability to visualize. Whether you're a seasoned visualizer or just starting on this journey, we've got tips and techniques that will elevate your visualization game. So, without further ado, let's dive in. Visualization is like a superpower we all possess, but it's a skill that can be refined and strengthened over time. At its core, visualization is about creating vivid mental images, harnessing the power of your imagination to bring your goals and desires to life. Before we dive into techniques, let's address common hurdles like self-doubt and skepticism. Clearing mental blocks involves acknowledging these doubts and replacing them with positive affirmations about your ability to visualize. Let's kick off a practical exercise to enhance your visualization skills. Find a quiet space, close your eyes, and join me as we embark on a guided imagery journey. Now, let's explore some visualization techniques to incorporate into your daily routine. Create a vision board. Compile images representing your goals and aspirations. Mental rehearsal. Imagine successfully navigating challenges or achieving your goals. Color visualization. Associate specific colors with emotions or intentions. Object visualization. Focus on visualizing a specific object in intricate detail. Improving your ability to visualize is a journey, not a sprint. Consistency is key. Practice these techniques regularly, and you'll notice a gradual improvement over time. Remember, patience is your ally on this path of self-discovery. And there you have it, dear viewers. A roadmap to elevate your ability to visualize and manifest your dreams. I hope you found these insights helpful. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel for more transformative content, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. As always, thank you for being part of our community. Wishing you a vibrant journey of self-discovery and a vivid world of visualization. Until next time, stay inspired. And remember to check the link below this video for more help with your visualizations.